Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Slack app not opening. If Slack won't launch or gets stuck on a blank screen, the usual causes are an unstable internet connection or cached data that's gotten out of date. We'll start by confirming your connection. Then clear the browser data that can interfere with how Slack loads, and finish with a quick restart to refresh your system. Begin by opening your web browser and running a speed test on any reputable speed test site. Let the test complete and note your download and upload speeds as well as latency. You don't need extremely fast numbers, but the key is stability. If results vary wildly or the test times out, that instability can keep Slack from opening reliably. Heavy downloads or streaming can also skew results, so keep other activity light while testing. If the connection looks solid, move on. Next, look for the three dots menu in the top right corner of your browser window. This is the main menu used in most modern browsers to access tools and preferences. Click those three dots to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. This takes you to the browser's configuration area, where you control how websites store information on your device. In Settings, locate and open Privacy and Security. This section manages cookies, cached images and files, and other stored content that web apps like Slack rely on when they start up. Choose Delete Browsing Data, then Confirm Delete. For best results, ensure that cached images and files are selected. Clearing cookies can also help resolve stubborn issues, but remember it may sign you out of websites in the browser. If you're given a time range, selecting all time is the most thorough approach. Don't worry, this process does not delete your personal files or bookmarks. It simply removes temporary web data so your browser can fetch fresh copies the next time Slack loads. When the deletion completes, restart your desktop or laptop. A proper restart clears temporary processes, refreshes memory, and resets networking components, which together can resolve lingering glitches. Use the standard restart option so the system fully closes and relaunches everything cleanly. After your system comes back on, open Slack again. With a verified connection, a clean cache, and a fresh restart, Slack typically launches as expected. If the issue persists, it's often because one of the earlier steps didn't fully complete, so revisiting the clearing process and confirming the restart can help. You're all set.